it going, everybody? I'm doing my morning bike ride and getting my exercise on, and I'm going down the road doing my little exercise in the morning, and I come across this little booger. Yeah, he kind of scared me. Copperheads, not very friendly. There he is. He gave me a nice little scare. I had to bring my foot up really fast. Little sneaky joker. Make sure I stay clear of him. Bad snake. Hey everybody.
Hi. Hello.
We are heading to two surprises that we cannot tell Logan about or he'll drive us insane. So we're heading to surprise number 1, and then after that we'll head to surprise number 2.
Here's a hint.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
That's when they feel too.
Are you reaching for clouds?
No, she's
oh.
licking her hand.
Hey,
I'm not licking my hand.
I'll bring my Hot Wheels. And I stay in the other one.
Ah, okay. I see what you're doing now. I know what it is. You know what it is?
Do you know what it is? I think I know what it is, but do you know what it is?
I may know what it is.
Do you know what it is? Is it fruity? Yeah.
Are you fruity?
Peachy. It's peachy.
Because I'm fruity.
It's peachy. My drink is fruity. What do you
My
have
drink
in
is
your
fruity. Because I'm drinking a Spark.
I drink Spark too.
Mango, strawberry, spark, and mango, pineapple, rehydrate. Mixed together.
I only have the spark one, the fruity spark in mine.
Yeah,
Like Fruity Pebbles?
No.
we do.
Well,
You
what
get
if
smoke
what if
right now.
Advocare came up with those like spark packets that was like cereal flavored?
Yeah, you go www.
Like Captain
Oh,
Crunch.
yeah, Captain Crunch or...
Yeah, Captain Crunch.
What was that peanut butter one? With
Cocoa-
chocolate? No, not
Cocoa
Cocoa
something.
Puffs.
Chocolate spark. That would be disgusting.
Ew.
Peanut butter chocolate Spark.
Ew.
With a hint of bacon.
Ew.
Yes!
Who does?
That'd be awesome.
Tomorrow at church, you're gonna have a
That's why.
pancake bar.
Yes, tomorrow is all you can eat pancakes at church.
It's Father's Day weekend.
And we're gonna pig out and then have a cookout
Go swimming.
and go swimming and gain like 50 pounds.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you later. So what'd y'all get?
We got a lawnmower. Can you see it? It's that one there. That one.
Guess who loves their wife?
Me.
Are you grilling, Michaela?
Grilling some hamburgers.
Well, hurry up, I'm hungry. Y'all want something?
Stop worrying about power outages. Don't stress about power outages.
No. We were at Greg Farms, blackberry picking and blueberry picking.
And I got big root.
You got big root.
Not from Target.
What'd you
It
get?
was, I thought that was poop.
What'd you get, Kayla?
What'd I get? What do you mean? Target? A pop socket for your phone.
Pop socket. And guess who loves their wife? Me. I love my wife. Oh,
Where do you get the shirt at again?
I love my wife.com.
Wait, what was it? Unveilmywife.com.
Unveil my wife. Yeah, it's Unveil Wife. I'll unveil her tonight.
Alright, wait, so are these blackberries? Where's the are we picking blackberries or red
Are we
raspberries?
picking blackberries?
Or
Hey.
red raspberries?
Remember, you can't pull the red ones off.
Let's pick dingleberries. You know what a dingleberry is?
He's going to put that part of the video out.
Baby, Michaela, you do not know what a dingleberry is? When you go poop and a piece of poop is stuck in your butt, that's a dingleberry.
Stop recording me. I will hit you, sir. I'm looking for some berries. Do you know where the
She's
berries
really
are, sir?
weird. Really, really weird. I
Sir.
have no idea who she is.
Sir, I need to know where the
Stop
berries
touching
are.
me, ma'am.
I need to know where the berries are.
Where's your parents, little girl?
You are my parent.
No, you're not ours.
Hey, I am Groot.
Hey, Groot.
I'm berry
Hey.
picking.
I know.
I know. Peach and strawberry. Homemade ice cream. What's for dinner tonight?
Cheeseburgers
And some fries.
and cheesy wedge fries.
Excuse the cupboards. Amy is in the process of
Remodeling.
remodeling and painting. What, buddy?
Can this was TV?
No, not right now.
I did it yesterday.
You did it yesterday. No,
Right.
you did not.
Today's TV day on Saturday.
And look, we're gonna have some bacon too. No, not you, Maverick.
Did you
For
ever show
us.
them how much fruit that we got today? How many berries we got?
Oh yeah, we picked blueberries and the blackberries.
What are those? That's one of the peaches.
And the blueberries are
We didn't get a whole lot because we have some already in the fridge that we already bought at the store this past week. But I can't remember what they called these. There's a certain type of peach that this is. Either way, it was really fun. We love blackberries. We use these in our smoothies and stuff in the morning. So, be really good.
I like those blueberries. Those blueberries are sweet. That good, buddy?
Yeah.
You give it 2 thumbs up?
Oh.
Why do I look so sad? Oh. Buddy.
They smell fruit.
They smell the fruit. What are you doing? I know.
You guys want a blackberry?
You want a blackberry?
Easy. Good girl. Easy. Good boy. You guys did good. You like your fruit, huh? You like your fruit.
Burgers on the grill. Do a little burp. Burgers on the green egg. Burgers. There was a fly on our cheese. Did you cut the cheese?
There was a fly on the cheese.
Did you cut the cheese?
I didn't cut the cheese.
Our daughter just cut the cheese.
I didn't cut the cheese. What are you talking about?
Did you cut the
I
cheese?
didn't cut the cheese.
Who cut? Did you cut the cheese?
Honey, you're not funny.
It was her.
It was me!
She cut the cheese.
Oh crap! Come here. Go.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Look, I got it. Look. I
It's
don't
a
know.
firefly.
Oh, don't
Let's see if
fly
you
on
light
me.
up. Alright, so we're gonna camp out in the living room tonight and have a movie night, family movie night, and just camp out in here and have some fun. So
We're watching
47 meters down
47 meters
about sharks.
down on the fire stick.
About sharks. You want a shark? You want to see a shark, Maverick? So we're gonna
Right
have
now,
a little
I-
family night and camp out in here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for Father's Day. Remember to
always put God first.
First.
And say goodnight to Groot.
Good night, Groot.
Good night to Groot. Bye!
Bye.